Hi children, welcome to VIN Sushmita here. Today you are going to learn GK chapter 4 characteristics of animal. What we are going to learn here children about the characteristics of animals. Okay, see mammals. See the mammals, what are the characteristics are there? Reptiles, what are the characteristics are there? Amphibians, what are the characteristics are there? We are going to study in this chapter. Okay children, first we will see about the mammals. Okay, mammals are vertebrates. Mammals are vertebrates, warm blooded, and means it is having a warm blood. Okay, give birth to live young, viviparous, except for 5 species who lay eggs. See children, what the mammal will do? They will give the birth to their young ones. Okay, have fur or hair, means they will have some fur and air. Breathe with lungs, they will breathe with the lungs. Okay, nurse their babies with milk, they will give milks. Most live on land but some live in water, land but some lives in water, means most of the mammals will live on the land but few will live in water. We will see what are they. Whale, dolphin, seal, manatees. Whale, dolphin, seals, manatees are the mammals. Okay, bats are the only mammal who can fly. Bats are the only mammals who can fly, means the bats are the mammals which they can fly. Okay, these are the characteristics of mammals. Now we will see the characteristics of reptiles. They are vertebrates, cold blooded, most lay eggs but some do not. See children, they are vertebrates, they are having cold blood. Okay, and they most of that will lay eggs but some will, birds, vipers and some lizards will not lay eggs. Okay, skin is dry and scaly, means their skin will be always dry and there will be lines on their body. Okay, breathe with lungs, they will also breathe with lungs. Live on land and in water. See, these reptiles are lives in the water and on the land. In the both land and water they will live. Okay, now we will see the characteristics of amphibians. Vertebrates, cold blooded, they are also vertebrates but cold blooded. Lay eggs in water, they will lay eggs in water. Smooth and moist skin to absorb oxygen, they are having so smooth blood. Why? Because to absorb the oxygen. Okay, young ones breathe with gills in water and adults breathe with their skin on land. The young ones will be in water, no children, so they will get oxygen by the gills, but the adults who are there, no children, they will live in land, no, they will breathe through their skin. Okay, they have lungs but we are small and not used much. They are also having lungs but so small lungs they will be having, no, so they can't breathe with that. Okay, adults live on land and in water. Adults live in both land and water but babies will live only in a water. Okay, now see children what they have given. Read the characteristics of different animal groups given on page 244. And based on the information provided, classify these animals in the correct groups. What they have given in 244, they have given some information about these birds, animals. We should first read that and we should classify here, okay? First we'll read that, okay children? Yes children, before only we read, no children, that only, but your page mistake is there, okay? Now see, panda, frog, snake, bat, lizard, salamander, toad, turtle, alligator, seal, newt, chameleon, dolphin, iguana, porcupine. Yes, now we'll see the mammals, reptile, amphibians to which they belongs, okay? Now panda. Panda will be in mammals, okay? It will give birth to its young one, okay children? Next we have frog. Frog will be in amphibian. Why? Because it will live both in water and land, okay? Next, snake. Snake is a reptile, okay? Next, bat. Bat is a mammal. We read, no children? Next, dolphin. What? Where is next? Lizard. Lizard is a reptile. Lizard is a reptile, okay? Next we have salamander. Salamander is a amphibian, okay? Next we have toad. Next we have toad. Toad is also a amphibian. We have turtle. Turtle is a reptile. Turtle is a reptile. Next we have alligator. Same, alligator is also a reptile, okay? Next, seal we have. Seal is a mammal, okay? Next, newt. Newt is a amphibian. Newt is a amphibian. Next, chameleon. Chameleon is a reptile, okay? Chameleon is a reptile. Next, dolphin. Dolphin is a mammal. Dolphin is a mammal. Next, iguana. Iguana is a reptile, okay? Iguana is a reptile. Next, we have porcupine. Porcupine is a mammal, okay? Okay, children.